Hello guys, welcome back. Today we'll show you how to use wireless charging on your INFINIX Note 60 Pro. First, go and set it up. Open Settings and scroll down to Battery and Power Saving. Here we have Battery Health and Charging. Make sure everything is set up like this. Don't worry about reverse wireless charging since that's for charging other phones. For charging speed, set it to Smart Charge because low temp charge tries to keep the phone cool while charging, but we want fast charging. Let's unplug it. It's on 10% now. I'll put it away and grab the charger. Plug it in and see if it works properly. Put your phone right in the middle. It says wireless charge. It is charging. Phone is not too big, so you can also put it on the other stand so it stands like this or like this. It also works here on flat surfaces. We can see it says wireless charge and it works just fine. If the phone starts randomly going off, simply remove the case because it's too thick or bulky, which causes that. You will be able to charge your phone normally, and that's how you can do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.